Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today I have important update from CBSE. CBSE has released a circular regarding the celebration of Sewa Parv 2025. So now let's see what is Sewa Parv and how to participate in art competition related to this. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 19 September 2025 with subject celebration of Sewa Parv 2025. So Sewa Parv is a national initiative that celebrates spirit of Seva as highest expression of patriotism. This will be celebrated across the country from 17 September to 2nd October. As a part of celebration, Ministry of Culture will organize one-day painting workshop across 75 locations across the country. So that location list is given in Annexure 1. I will give the link of this video. So here you can see different states and location. Like for example, Bihar, it will be celebrated in Patna and Nalanda. So it will be celebrated in these two locations or in these two institutes. Now let's see other detail. Next, the workshop seek to engage artists, art students, school children and art interest in creating artwork on theme Sewa Parv or vision of Viksit Bharat. To mark this occasion, to encourage students to actively participate in celebration by undertaking the following activity. So in this regard, all schools may organize a similar program and art workshop on theme Viksit Bharat. Then all the school student and art teacher may be encouraged to actively participate. Then all such event and activity carried out during celebration may be captured in detail and same will be uploaded on this website. I have already given the link in the description and I will show you how you can upload your detail as well. Then all the participants to upload the artwork photograph on official portal this same website as well as share their experience on social media using hashtag #SewaParv. So now let's see how you can upload your artwork on this website. Once you click on this link, it will take you to this site which is Amrit Kal by Ministry of Culture, Government of India. This is Sewa Parv. Sewa Parv serving together building Viksit Bharat. 13,909. So if you scroll down here, few objectives are given for this, then how to participate. So here you have to come individual participants. So anyone can be part of Sewa Parv by creating an artwork. So first you need to create an artwork on theme Viksit Bharat ke Rang Kala ke Sang. So in any media or material of their choice. So participants are requested to upload the image of their artwork here. So now after your artwork is ready, just click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will ask you mobile number for OTP. So now let's enter our mobile number and click on send OTP. Now after entering OTP, now they are going to ask you personal detail like your first name, last name, state, district, then title of your artwork. You have to give name to your artwork. Then you can upload your image, but make sure the image should be in this format only, like JPG, JPEG, PNG file only, and maximum size is of 2 MB. Then enter this captcha here, then check this box and click on submit button. So friends, this is a wonderful opportunity for all students and school to contribute to the vision of Viksit Bharat through creativity, service and participation. School make sure you encourage maximum student involvement. Students participate actively, create beautiful artwork and showcase your idea of develop India. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with all CBSE news and academic updates.